All right, guys, we got us a live white perch, baby. We're gonna see if we can get with that. Yes, sir. We got the live white perch out.
Listen, all of y'all gonna have. Wow.
There we go. Got it. There we go. There we go. All right. On the white perch, live white perch. There we go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. We got him, baby. On the live white perch. Look at him. Look at that.
That's a decent fish.
You can see the tail. You can see the tail in his mouth. Live white perch. Caught on the live white perch. You can still see the tail in its mouth. Now that's what I'm talking about. We're gonna let it go and let it have this.